One of the most important tools in Calculus 1 is the definition of a function. But unlike high school, now we're not just plugging in numbers, but we may need to plug in a whole function or some sort of combination of letters. This pops up a lot, for example, in the definition of the derivative. Here's the example that I chose. F of x equals 1 over square root of 2x plus 1. And what do we want to do first? Let's warm up and plug in 4. That just means, and the notation here is, you put x, you replace x with 4. Remove out x from the formula and put in its place 4. And of course you get to do the calculations here. So 2 times 4 gives you 8, plus 1, 9. Square root of 9 is 3. So this is 1/3. That was easy. But what does it mean now to put x equals a? It's again not so hard. You do f of a and you just plug it in basically. What do I mean plug it in? Go to the formula, replace x with a. And of course you can't really continue on now. There's nothing that you can do here, but still this is the algebraic expression that corresponds to f of a. Now if you want to be funny about this, you can even put stuff like Bob or anything like that. The idea is exactly the same. You get f of Bob to be 1 over square root 2 times Bob plus 1. Okay, so what I want you to keep from this is the mechanism. The mechanism is basically remove x from here and from there and put in its place whatever I tell you. Finally, the trickiest one is when you replace x with x plus h. So what you need to do, again, this is how it looks like. You have to do f of x plus h. All right? And that just means go to the formula. There's no f here. There's just the formula of the function. And what you do is you take out x and you put x plus h in its place. And to make that look better, just put a little parentheses. Like so. Once again, you can't really compute things here. You may want to, I don't know, distribute the 2, but that's as far as you can go. You're not expecting to find a number here. You're expecting to find, again, an algebraic expression that contains the letters that you had to plug in. All right, so this is how we start off plugging in into our function.